My first Kyosho kit. Well, this will be one of my first times of ever building a Kyosho. I always saw them when I was younger, thought they were really cool, but never really got one. I've had a few Tamiyas in the past when I was younger, and then I've been building some Tamiyas here lately, but I figured I'm going to try my hand at the Kyosho, try one of these out, so open it up to see what's inside it. Well, I like the packaging. I love the way it's packaged. That's really cool. Wheels and tires and the gearbox here. Body. The tub. And this is the rest of the parts, I guess. Arms and differential gear. Gearbox mount. There's the paperwork and instructions down there. And here's all the rest of the parts. A lot of stuff in there. Well, cool. I'm going to start digging into this one. Try to figure out what direction I'm going to go with it. And then we will come back and revisit it. So y'all just hang tight. This one was a little bit more complicated than I'm used to. Definitely not like the Tamiyas, but still a fun build. And it was hard, but it wasn't hard. I mean, just follow the directions. Everything goes together. Just a couple little things you kind of figure out on your own or look up on the internet. But I think it turned out good. My decals, of course, is not the best. But I'm happy with it. It's good enough for something I'm going to be out running around with. So if it gets scratched up or whatever else, not that big of a deal. I do have the lights hooked up on it. I'll turn them on here in a second. Got the oil-filled shocks it comes with. I like how it comes with bearings. It comes with the foams for the tires too, so I got the foams in. I do have the rear tires glued on. I actually got a cheap $50 Amazon brushless motor in ESC, so I put that in here. It runs 2S or 3S, so I'm going to try that out. But I do have it set up here. I got the switch under the battery cover, so I can just turn it on right there. There's a pin that goes there too, but I don't have it in here right now because of what I'm doing right now. But here's the lights. I got all the lights working. But I'm real happy with it. I haven't got to go try it out yet. I'll turn this back off. There's the battery I got in there. Go ahead and pull that out. And luckily you don't have to really take this body off at all unless you just need to do some maintenance or work. It's kind of a pain if you need to get in and out of it all the time. But you just got that one clip right here. Pull that out, and then your roll bars are clipped on here. And there's also a little bar right here you flip forward and you just pull it off just like that. And here's what I got. So I'm running the Amazon, the cheap Amazon red can 20 kilogram servo. Of course, I got my radio link receiver in here. And then here's the cheap Amazon ESC. Like I said, it runs 2S or 3S. But definitely a different build. Definitely different from what I'm used to. But it was a lot of fun, a good learning experience. I may build another one. I don't know yet. This one took me a lot longer than it normally does a Tamiya. Usually I can get a Tamiya knocked out within a day or two. This one I spent all week on. Granted, I'm doing after work, after work, stuff like that. So, but let me get it buttoned back up, put back together, and then we'll go speed run it on 2S and 3S, and then we'll go hooning around. All right, got the 2S battery in. It's working. see what that was. Oh wow, 34 miles an hour. That's a little faster than I expected. Alright, let's put a 3S battery in it. Alright, 3S batteries in it. I'm a little worried about that. Don't want to crash this thing. Alright, here goes nothing. Front tires came off. I guess I should glue those. Well, let's see what it got up to. Ugh. 44 miles an hour. Well, I'm sure it'd do faster if I glue the front tires on. I know better next time. Well, this thing went a lot faster than I thought it would. I wasn't sure. And I'm very happy with that $50 brushless motor and ESC on Amazon. I may have to grab a couple more of those for a couple of cars. The gear ratio I did go with, I went with the, you can see it, 31 tooth gear, or the pinning gear, and then the 38 tooth spur gear. So I went with that, going for the high speed, but probably should have went with the 28 and the 41. That probably would have been a better deal. Because like I said, on 3S, I had 44 miles an hour. I'd probably do faster, but my front tires blew off. Didn't think I needed to glue them, since they actually wasn't, you know, powered. But I know better than that next time. But this is a cool little car. I'm very happy with it. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.